In this video, I'll show you how you can fix FPS drops and lag while streaming on Discord. Now the first step is you want to open up your Discord, and from in here you want to go to your settings. Once you're in the settings, what I suggest you do is you come here and you find voice and video. Now inside voice and video you want to scroll down until you find advanced. In here you want to find this one, Open H.264. You want to turn this off. Hardware acceleration, you want to turn this off. Now once you've turned both of these off, what you should do is scroll down more until you find enable quality of service, high packet priority, and you also want to turn this one off. And once you've turned all of these off, what I suggest you do is you come here and you find advanced, find hardware acceleration and turn this off as well, and this should close down your Discord. Now once you've turned all of this off and the Discord is closed down, or if it doesn't close down, you just want to close it down yourself by coming here and quit. Once you've done that, you want to search for Task Manager, open it, and then you want to make sure that you're not using any programs that's using way too much. So in this case, you can see my CapCut is using a lot of CPU, and if I sort by memory, you can see my Google Chrome is using a lot as well. So you just want to sort by these and make sure you don't have anything open that's using like 80% alone or something. Then you can just close it down. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.